Hello and welcome to Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton. Today we're taking a look at a 2025 Cadillac XT6 Sport featured in radiant red metallic with a jet black interior. Under the hood sits a 3.6-liter V6 engine paired to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Some features include heated and vented front seats, heated steering wheel, hands-free power liftgate, HD surround vision, power sunroof, enhanced auto park assist, and much more. Taking a look at the interior, here's our door. We have Bose speakers, memory seating, powered windows and mirrors, as well as our liftgate controls below. Taking a look at the seats, down to the bottom left is the power seating and power lumbar, and we can hop inside. Just to the left, we have the power park brake and head-up display. Taking a look at the steering wheel, on the left is the cruise control with forward collision alert and the heated steering wheel, and the right is the cluster and audio controls. Turning the vehicle on, we can take a look at the infotainment system. Starting off with the audio, comes equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM, and we can connect a phone using Bluetooth. We can check out the navigation here. And here's our map. It's also equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Throwing it in reverse, here's the backup camera and surround vision. Just below that, we have the climate controls with heated and vented front seats, infotainment system controls, 2 cup holders, wireless phone charging, and the center console. Popping that open, we have storage up top as well as down below with 2 USB plugins. Up top, the digital rear view mirror. Just above that, we have the OnStar and SOS with 2 dome lights, universal garage opener, and power sunroof. Here's the sunroof, and here's the other side of the vehicle. Moving on to the exterior, here are the wheels, color matched mirror caps and door handles with keyless entry, privacy tint on the rear windows. Making our way to the back, we have some XT6 and Cadillac badging, as well as the all-wheel drive just below. To open up the back, all we got to do is double click. It's going to pop open. We have a ton of storage space back here. Just to the right, you'll notice some power controls to drop the second and third row of seats, making a ton of extra space. We also have some hidden storage down below. Very spacious rear, and we can close it up by just pushing the button. Now checking out the rear interior, here's our door with Bose speakers, powered windows, cup holder down below. Taking a look at the seats, down to the bottom left is the manual seating adjustment. Inside, at the back of each seat, we have magazine holders. In the middle, we have our rear climate control with 2 USBs, and down at the bottom, 2 cup holders and some extra storage. At the top, handles paired with a dome light and vents matched on the other side. And in the third row of seating, here are the seats. We also have vents on the roof with a dome light and cup holders with the USB-C matched on either side. We get a great view of this power sunroof, and here's the rest of the vehicle. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick review of the 2025 Cadillac XT6 Sport. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. We hope to see you here at Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton very soon.